unfolding beautifully here. As we look at the Group A fixtures and results on the 1st of June, that was a massive victory for the USA by 7 wickets. Next one's India by 8 wickets against Ireland. And today, of course, we've got this huge fixture which the USA will be still pumped up after that Canada performance when they were behind the 8 ball. But Aaron Jones steered them home along with Andries Gals. Terrific performance from him.
Nicely
done, first up. That's a shot we've seen him play many times, and he's away with the 6, first up. That is beautifully hit. Nice work.
Tremendous strike, and that is what you expect from Rizwan.
A bit wider that time.
They will run hard.
That's beautifully bowled. Oh my goodness, what a blinder that is! That is absolutely sensational. Magnificent catch, full length to his right. What a... Advancing. There's a man down there. Is he going to take this catch? He is going to take it. Wow, that is huge. That's another one. USA, look at them swarm like a
spinner. There he goes. First ball, 6. What a start. That is quality.
Lovely shape. That is beautifully bowled to Azam. Oh, that's beautifully bowled again. That has come back considerably.
Babar feeling the pressure. The scoreboard.
Just a single. And that's a strike first up, maybe. He likes that. He can't run outs. Would have been outs. Babar Azam. Could be outs. There's outs. Another one, Taylor. Taking another catch. Ali Khan has struck. That is a massive wicket as well, because Azam can...
It's always the case that Pakistan, whenever
wide has been called. Ali Khan's story is quite interesting. He was actually spotted by Dwayne Brown.
There's all sorts going on. Running between the wickets has been an issue as well. I introduced Waka, and Wasim jumped in as well, because there's a lot going on, isn't there, Wasim?
big Pakistan, even somewhere around 1.
Of course he's the right man for the job. He's a South African. And this is where maybe they could just...
Pacer in Ali's shape. They know Pakistan have struggled in the really put Pakistan.
And now pressure is on Pakistan team. Bit of turn as well. Beautifully bowled. Good variation. Slightly slower pace from Harmeet.
Inquiry from the bowler. Fielding is good.
Inside edge. They probably come back for 2. Every run is important for Pakistan. Maybe.
The call was early from Shadab. All around the world in franchise cricket. On the attack. Maybe it's just needed at this stage to find a way to put pressure back on USA.
Much needed boundary and 50.
Innovative. And back-to-back sixes it'll be. Much to the delight of the crowd. Jesse Singh now under a little bit of pressure. Did see them. Exactly what you want from a World Cup, isn't it? New heroes.
Yeah, absolutely. The intriguing thing with...
That's really well played. Timing is good. That'll do him and Pakistan the world of good at the halfway stage. They are 66 for 3 now.
Babar Azam is the man who's going to want to get going a bit, and he goes downtown that time and picks up a 1-bounce 4. Wasn't too far away from that man at long on.
Babar Azam might have spent too long at the crease to get
to remember him. That's a fine shot. Nice and straight, and that's gone for 6.
Well, Babar has made up his mind. He's going to come hard now. He saw wickets tumbling on the other end and
A little bit straight that time. He's going to pick up another boundary. Yep, that's gone for 4.
Yeah, a lot of teams at this stage sort of in the back 10 over.
Got a flight that time. Sneak through for a quick one. Direct hit, safely home. Looking to double up, not there. Full toss. Has it gone far enough? Oh, through the hands. I think the leap was judged pretty. Aaron Jones is top of the pops with 6.
Pakistan so hard and so
29 now. He's doubled up there. 33 balls at this stage. So he's fired that one, and it's out. That's another fine catch. That is brilliantly taken. Netravolka's the guy that's taken that catch. The left arm quick. So another one at the perfect time for the USA.
the injury break didn't help Pakistan.
Now there's two things about Azam Khan. Oh, that's a big shout. First up, and he's gone. One ball. He's on his way. They do have a review. They can send it upstairs. Azam Khan is going to have a chat to Babar Azam. It looked fairly straight. Nicely bowled. Kenjiga. Has he got another one? Has he got his third? They've gone upstairs. Iftikhar Ahmed is
lovely.
in the middle of the bat, but that's at the end of a wonderful in a spot of Gother and have to.
So that puts them under a little bit of pressure. If they go
on. There's an edge past that keeper. No chance of the keeper being involved. The skipper Manak Patel and about road just nearby.
next to that fielder there, it's punished into the gap for 4. Gets a reprieve. It was a half-tracker and put away this time by Babar.
Straight away into the attack. Now that's a way to start an over.
It's a brilliant strike from Babar Azam. He is now the real hope for Pakistan. He's a class X, and this really was hammered. A little bit of width. And he...
Beautifully played. Just waited on that and placed it past the 2 short third fielders.
Jesse Singh wants another. The umpire says yes. Nice and straight, wicket to wicket. And it brings some success for USA. There's a conversation. A lengthy conversation as well. Eventually they say, let's have another look.
6.
As they have. Pressure on Pakistan. Now, lovely for Pakistan. That's good from Iftikhar. He's been out there long enough now.
Yeah, bats will low down the order, and that's the...
Very few bowlers in world cricket.
Full toss put away. Just as you would want at this stage.
Well, it's certainly the line that he wanted.
Excellent finish to the over. Big. Good start by Netravolka. He has been on target today. He's given away absolutely nothing. The umpire says yes, but Pakistan want a review. But first needs to do something.
For 7 now, 2.
Juicy, and he's enjoyed that. This is a wonderful day out for him. He does go full, but Shaheen Afridi goes long. That is a massive 6, and just what's required.